Hello everyone, welcome back to MIT Scale, a unique English learning zone. If you are an HSC student from the session 2025, 2026, 27, or 2028, you are in the exact right place. Today, we're diving deep into a masterpiece from your HSC English first paper, English for Today's syllabus. We are going to do an advanced analysis of the iconic poem Dreams, written by the legendary poet Langston Hughes. By the end of this video, you will fully master the theme, message, stanza-by-stanza analysis, and the crucial literary devices of this poem. So, make sure to grab your notebook and a pen, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Before we read the poem, let's understand the brilliant mind behind it. Langston Hughes lived from 1902 to 1967. He was a famous American poet, novelist, playwright, and a passionate social activist. Most importantly, he was one of the leading figures of the Harlem Renaissance, which was a massive cultural movement celebrating African American literature, music, and art. Hughes wrote beautifully about hope, equality, and the experiences of Black people in America. His simple yet incredibly powerful writing style is why his poetry remains so popular among readers of all ages even today. Now, what's the poem about? Dreams is a short lyrical poem that carries a very profound message about how important dreams are in human life. It's only 8 lines long, but it contains a deep philosophical truth. Let's recite it together. Dreams, Langston Hughes. Hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die, life is a broken winged bird that cannot fly. Hold fast to dreams, for when dreams go, life is a barren field frozen with snow. Let's break down the first stanza. Hughes starts with a strong command, hold fast to dreams. The phrase hold fast means you must cling firmly with determination, commitment, and perseverance. Why? Because if dreams die, our vital force is lost. Here, the poet uses a powerful metaphor. Life is a broken winged bird that cannot fly. Think about it. A bird symbolizes freedom, achievement, and reaching new heights. But if its wing is broken, it is helpless and stuck on the ground. Similarly, a human being without dreams cannot progress or ever reach their true potential. Now, let's look at the second stanza. Notice how he repeats hold fast to dreams. This repetition is used intentionally to create a rhythmic effect and reinforce the urgent message. In this stanza, he warns us about what happens when dreams go, meaning when hope gradually fades away due to disappointment or failure. He gives us another striking metaphor. Life is a barren field frozen with snow. A barren field is infertile. It cannot grow crops, symbolizing emptiness and zero productivity. And when it is frozen with snow, it intensifies the coldness, hopelessness, and spiritual stagnation. Life completely freezes up without dreams. For your exams, understanding the literary devices is extremely important. Let's summarize them quickly. First one, metaphor. Hughes directly compares life without dreams to a broken winged bird and a barren field. Second, literary terms or device. He creates vivid mental pictures with phrases like broken winged bird, burned field, and frozen with snow. Third, repetition. The line hold fast to dreams is repeated to highlight urgency. Next, symbolism. The bird symbolizes freedom and aspiration. The burned field symbolizes emptiness, and snow symbolizes despair and inactivity. Last one, alliteration. Notice the musically in broken winged bird. The repetition of the B sound adds a poetic rhythm. So, what's the central theme of this poem? The theme is simple: the absolute necessity of dreams in human life. Dreams are not just fantasies. They are the foundation of personal growth, motivation, and a fulfilling life. Without them, life is hopeless, stagnant, and cold. As a critical appreciation, this poem is a true masterpiece of brevity and depth. In just 8 lines, using very simple language, Langston Hughes teaches us a universal truth that inspires us to remain hopeful despite any challenges we face in life. To conclude, never let go to your goals. Always cherish and pursue your dreams with determination and hope. I hope this advanced analysis helps you in your HSC English first paper exam. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. Share it with your college friends and don't forget to comment below on what topic you want us to cover next. Thank you for watching. Keep studying hard with MIT here, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.